Swami Surya channel. We are your partners in your divine growth. We give all the help for each subscriber to grow in his life in a divine way. So this video is one such thing. This is about transit of Saturn to Meenam Rashi. On this particular subject, this is the third video. First video was on 28th March, second on 29th March, and today the third video. This video is to give an idea or give information to make the planet Saturn to make this planet as our best friend. Best friend means the friend will give only support to us. So how to get the support of Saturn? By reciting the mantra for Anjaneya, Dharmashastra and Lord Ayyappa. These three are the presiding deities for the planet Saturn. Now I will chant the mantra for Anjaneya. Three mantras for Anjaneya. Om Namo Bhagavate Anjaneyaya. Give a small pause. Om Namo Bhagavate Anjaneyaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Anjaneyaya. This small gap you are giving in between these mantras, that time your mind should be kept clean, kept empty. The second mantra for Anjaneya, Ham Hanumade Rama Bhaktaya Namaha. Ham Hanumade Rama Bhaktaya Namaha. Ham Hanumade Rama Bhaktaya Namaha. Third mantra for Anjaneya. Anjaneyaya Vidmahe Vayuputraya Dhimahi Tanno Hanumat Prachodayad. Anjaneyaya Vidmahe Vayuputraya Dhimahi Tanno Hanumat Prachodayad. Anjaneyaya Vidmahe Vayuputraya Dhimahi Tanno Hanumat Prachodayad. The next is the mantra for Dharmashastra. Dharmashastra is also the presiding deity of planet Saturn. First mantra, Bhudanadaya Vidmahe Bhavaputraya Dhimahi Tanno Shasta Prachodayad. Bhudanadaya Vidmahe Bhavaputraya Dhimahi Tanno Shasta Prachodayad. Bhudanadaya Vidmahe Bhavaputraya Dhimahi Tanno Shasta Prachodayad. Next mantra. Om Namo Bhagavate Bhudanadaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Bhudanadaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Bhudanadaya. Dharmashastra is a very powerful god. Parashurama, God Parashurama has constructed 108 Dharmashastra temples in Kerala. Lord Ayyappa is the avatara of Dharmashastra. Now for Lord Ayyappa, we will make only Ayyappa Sharanam Vili. That also a few Sharanam Vilis I will do. If any subscribers know, they can add more Sharanam Vilis in that, and they can go even up to 108 Sharanam Vilis. Sharanam Vilis like that. Swamiye Sharanamayappa. Harihara Sudane Sharanamayappa. Kannimoola Ganapati Bhagavane Sharanamayappa. Maligappurathamma Devi Logamadhave Sharanamayappa. Annadana Prabhuve Sharanamayappa. Anadarakshagane Sharanamayappa. So, like this, you can add any number of these Sharanam Vilis, even up to 108. At last, we will say, Satyamaya Pannu Padinattam Padiyil Vaazhum Harihara Sudanananda Chittanayyanayyappa Swamiye Sharanamayappa. These three mantras for Lord Anjaneya, Dharmashastra and Lord Ayyappa will make planet Saturn very friendly to us and give only favorable results to us. Do this exercise, do this Nama Japa, and get all the benefits from planet Saturn. Planet Saturn is the best giver actually. If that planet starts giving good results, it will pour good results without non-stop he will give. So that is the mentality of this Saturn. If he helps, he will help. And if he gives trouble, trouble means it is not the mistake of Saturn to give trouble. It is our karma which enables us to get bad results from all the planets, including Saturn. Saturn alone is not a bad planet. All the 9 planets are equally good, equally bad. Saturn is one among the 9 planets. In my previous video, I have told to do Jalatarpana for the planet Saturn. This Jalatarpana everyone should do in the morning, forenoon and evening. Morning at the time of sunrise, that means mid-noon before 12 noon, evening at the time of sunset. 19 Jalatarpanas one has to do. We are conducting daily meditation classes and Nama Japa classes from 6 to 6:20 a.m. wherein we are teaching the Nama Japa, the Mantra Japa for all the 9 planets, and Lalita Sahasranama, and Shiva Panchakshari, Shakti Panchakshari, and Gayatri Japa. If anybody is interested, come to that class, take the lessons and improve your divine life. If your divine life is improved, you will get all benefits: good health, long life, intelligence, powerful mind, a powerful soul. Your soul energy will go to go higher and higher. If soul energy goes higher and higher, up to 100 years we can live without the help of a doctor, without the help of a pill. So it's true. I am talking only the truth, nothing else. Please take all these lessons, all these mantras very seriously, and daily chant these mantras, and tell in your mind that Saturn is a friendly planet. I am going to get all favorable results and success in life, peace of mind, and sharpness to my brain, a good physique, and the highest soul energy with the blessings of the planet Saturn and its presiding deities, Lord Anjaneya, Dharmashastra, and Ayyappa. Work out daily without fail then you kindly report to us. Our mobile number is available in the description box. Please subscribe if you are not so far subscribed, and share to your friends and relatives. Everyone should know what is the transit of Saturn, what is the remedy for that. Then only they can peacefully they can sleep in the night. Otherwise, they will get a disturbed sleep. So rest assured, Saturn will give you all comforts in your life. He is a friendly planet. Jai Hind.